Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. Ohio gozaimasu, and welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I did manage at a Japanese restaurant for about 2 years, so that was a real greeting that I did learn. The reason I am speaking Japanese, the only that I remember to you, is because today we're talking about Mulan Finance, a Japanese company and a really cool one at that. Fun fact also, this is not related to Mulan the movie, but that was the first movie that I ever saw, according to my parents. So this is a real fun project. There's quite a good bit to it. So they've got the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, which I love right off the bat. They talk about their DAO. And then we're going to go through the website a little bit more, just going to kind of show you everything else. So they do have their own swap, by the way, for their very own token, which we'll talk about here in a bit, because a lot of this is going to hinge on me actually going through an article that I really liked about this project and getting to it from there. So we'll get to that in a second. Now you can check them out here on either of their Telegram page, or if you want to check them out here on Twitter as well. I love that they're, I think that's just so cool that they're a Japanese company, and they do have actually some great English writers, whoever they have writing for them, and I like what the project has to say. So it just talks about it's an all-in-one platform that provides decentralized finance DeFi services that are still growing, which is always great. From beginners to experienced investors, you have access to products/services that offer transparency and attractive returns. And we will see here on Certic, if you, now apparently the score is yet to be available. They're still in the process. It's a little bit away, but it will be available soon enough. I apologize if you hear my cat crying in the background. She's being loud for some reason. Then we can also see here on our, and just so you know, she's fine. She's just crying to cry. She's being a crybaby. She's okay. The link tree here, and this is how I got to any of my links, which I found on the main site. And of course, I have all the links in the description below. When I talk about any project, of course, I give you all of their links to talk about that. And let's see. So we've got the main website. So just talking about DAO does not replace the enterprise, about Mulan, and this is really stuff, to be honest. Again, I'm going to go through in the article we're about to talk about, but I definitely recommend checking out the whole website. Also, while I'm at it, please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss this kind of thing. So with that being said, please don't invest in something just because I talk about it. Of course, do a modicum of your own research into any project before making an investment. Now, I'm actually going to show you the different parts of the website right before I get into this article, because that's the article, is going to be the real meat and potatoes of this one. So we've got staking, liquidity staking, farming, the NFT marketplace, which is something else to definitely check out with this project, and we'll be talking about the 100 richer milli NFT in the article. We'll talk more about that there. They've got a little about section about the NFT. Most of it is in Japanese at the moment, but again, they have to get everything translated over. It's a newer project, so that's completely forgivable in my opinion. I do like how they have different language settings, by the way. Let's see. And then so they've got the news as well, so basically news as to what's going on with the project, if you'd like to check that out. And then the last one is the charts. This is what you will get. And then we're going to check out CoinSpeaker's article, Industry First, Watch Purchase X NFT on Mulan Finance Marketplace. Mulan Finance, hereinafter referred to as Mulan, is a comprehensive platform for decentralized exchange, DEX, and watch specialized NFTs, has announced that the industry's first luxury watch NFT non-fungible token is available for public sale on the Mulan Marketplace from 7th of April 2022. Luxury watch NFTs from Mulan are linking real luxury watches with blockchain-based NFTs. NFTs are offered on a partial share of the watch, offering anybody partial ownership without spending a vast sum of of money. NFTs can be exchanged for the actual watch once all partial shares are collected and secured as a single watch. NFT tokenized watches are minting using their own ETH smart contract based on ERC 721 protocol. The content of the contract can be reviewed by watch fans all around the world, making it easy to transfer ownership. This makes all transactions transparent and secure. In addition to blockchain security, all luxury watches backing to the NFT are stored in a private vault, a high-security storage with up to 24 hours access. The vault has strict security measures such as constant electronic surveillance of staff, customers, valuables, and the presence of armed security guards. Also, the storage facility has air conditioning installed to maintain a constant humidity and temperature to prevent the rusting of complex watch components. Investment assets such as gold and silver are well known. However, luxury watches are another opinion. To retain the value of a hard asset, a stable demand is necessary, as well as maintaining its physical form. Assets such as gold and silver are characterized by their durability, while luxury watches have semi-permanent lifespans, but much lower maintenance cost in comparison to other luxuries like luxury cars. This aspect has established luxury watches as an asset. Now this is an example of their NFT. Well, now she's playing in the room next to me, so if you hear her futtering around, now my cat is happy and playing here, so just so you're aware, for anyone who's worried. The luxury watch Richard Mille RM6701 NFT was launched for public sale on 7th of April 2022. The history of Richard Mille is only a few decades old, but its craftsmanship, ingenuity, and overall singularity stunned the high-end luxury watch industry, quickly becoming the most exclusive brand. Richard Mille is only producing less than 5,000 watches a year. And I've actually heard, even before talking about this, I've heard of Richard Mille before. I saw him on like a video, he's pretty important. Saw like a top watchmaker video. This is not a small number, but certainly very special for a young brand. No, that's a small number for sure. In addition, Richard Mille has adopted unique strategies controlling the price of secondhand watches, coordinating with Swiss headquarters to ensure perfect maintenance, and selling watches with certificates. This is why, despite the price of hundreds of thousands of dollars, it is gaining popularity amongst the wealthy. Mulan is already preparing to launch a second luxury watch NFT, the Roger Dubois Excalibur Spider Countach DTX. Wow, that is a fancy name. It's one of the most expensive models ever produced in limited edition of 8 pieces. It is the latest timepiece in the collection partnered with the Lamborghini Motorsports division, Squadra Corse, the manufacturer of Lamborghini extreme models for the most prestigious GT championships around the world. Basic information of Mulan Finance. Mulan is a comprehensive platform that provides decentralized exchange as marketplace for watch-specific NFTs. 1 million of governance tokens issued by Mulan are already circulating in the market, of which $2.1 million worth of tokens have been staked, displaying a trustworthy project. Mulan provides below services: swap function with 0.3% fee, pool function, stake function 15% for half a year, 30 for a year, 50 for 2, which is really good. 4 farm function, and then 5 luxury watch NFT marketplace function. Mulan has completed the code audit by Certic, one of the most prominent blockchain cybersecurity companies, which we did see, and is ready to prevent hacking, damage, exploiting bugs in smart contracts. Mulan plans to implement additional features in their luxury watch NFT marketplace in the future, as well as continuing to demonstrate functionality as a DEX. While developing the Japanese market, Mulan simultaneously develops global markets, especially in China and Southeast Asia, aiming to become the world's leading DEX and NFT marketplace. So, my friends, that is Mulan Finance, a fun project that I just decided to talk about today. Thought that this would be a fun one to do, so absolutely check this out. Oh, and you know what? I'm so sorry. I showed you the swap and said it was the charts. These are the charts. I thought I had those pulled up. these are the charts. As I end this out, I apologize. I made a little error in the video, but we're correcting it right now for our outro. As always, though, I really appreciate you hanging out with me, being patient, just enjoying these videos, my friends. I really appreciate you all. And as always, thank you for coming to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we talked about Mulan, and we will be putting, of course, the links in the description. To cap this video off, by the way, my friends, just wanted to show you, it looks like they are doing a really cool giveaway for Mulan. So just wanted to go over this part as well, really quickly to end the video, to throw it out there if you were interested. Definitely check it out. All you have to do is follow some Instagrams, join their Telegram. Really the simplest things just to get some points, throw yourself in the raffle, and see if you win the giveaway. Now, there are a lot of entries with 58,000, but at the same time, I think that it's always a great chance to just give it a shot. Why not win some money? So just wanted to throw that one out there as well. Have a wonderful day.